Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 85th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Today's expected high temperature is about 106. Temp when we flew is about 100 degrees. We did get off to a late start today as we got back from Texas at 4 a.m. That was after coming back from Giga, Texas, and that was a long drive. It was a good visit out there, and we'll have some more information about that later. This morning we did suffer some catastrophic device failure. The iPhone we were using will only hold a connection to the cable if we don't move, which makes it very difficult to fly. So we were losing a lot of signal, and we had going back and forth trying to get it up and going, and we just found out if we just held it steady, we could go for a little bit, but we were still losing signal. So we're going to have to get a new phone or an iPad for our future flights. We had a backup device, but when we tried to use them, they were too old for the DJI software, and the image we got off the screen had too much lag, so it wasn't safe to fly that way. We did get some video, but not as much as we normally would. So if anyone wants to help us out on Patreon, we would gladly accept it, because we have to get a new iPad or a new iPhone. So please help us out with down in the link below. With our limited flyover today, we were just going to have a basic flyover. Next flight, which should be on Thursday, we'll have a temporary solution in place. But we did get some flying done, and we have some stills. Also, if you've never seen how low a crop duster gets, we also have a video of one that was flying right across from Nikola, technically in Eloy because it's across the street, but they were doing the farmland right across the street. And if you haven't seen our Giga Texas flyover already, please take a look at the card in the top right of your screen, and that will take you right to it. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to make a comment, feel free, but be nice to each other, okay? And you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. And again, the Patreon link is down in the description below. We'd appreciate any type of help you guys can give us, and think about becoming a member. We got the baby bear, mama bear, or papa bear, so please take a look below. Now, let's go fly.